do you also feel that sometimes the anger that comes out, that came out especially last year, this is before everything that happened in your life, right? Today there's a different Apurva, but is there anything that you would do differently if you go back and do it?
I think I would have been way more secure in who I was as a person. I think a lot of the things that I did came out of insecurity. Um, and just this constant fear of not being enough and having imposter syndrome of being on that show. I would not eat the entire day because there would be a pit in my stomach. My heart would keep racing. रोज आओ किसी से लड़ाई हो जाती है. My heart was constantly like racing. I called a doctor to my room that something's happening to me. She's like, it's anxiety. Shut up and sleep.
When Traitors came to you as a show,
Yeah.
versus the episodes that you see,
Yeah.
does that align or match with whatever you were told the show is going to be about?
The fight that I actually have with Urfi, where she has fully like lashed out at me, has been cut because there can't be two villains. And there's nobody better to play a villain than me. And I'm okay with it. Every time I used to sit somewhere, Urfi would get up and leave from there. And I cannot be making this up. You can ask any of the cast members. It has happened, right? But actually, में तो तुम traitor हो, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा smart हो. And then I was like, Jasmine, पहली बात तो आप बेवकूफ़ हो. And Urfi in her story time or like whatever she's made has said कि मैंने उसे बोला चली जाओ. अगर मैंने ये बोला होता तो उर्फी अपनी वीडियो में ना बोलती कि मैंने उसे गाली दी थी. आई कम ऑफ एज रियली बदतमीज एंड रियली मीन एंड यू नो मेरी तो वीडीज भी लाइक आगे की वीडीज पहले वाले एपिसोड में डालती हैं. भाई हम लिटरली रियल लाइफ में हमारे पास ऐसे दोस्त होते हैं जो ट्रेडर निकलते हैं एंड वी कांट अंडरस्टैंड दैट. और तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुम एक गेम खेल रहे हो जहाँ पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही यही है और वो तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा. कोई इतना ज्ञानी नहीं होता, कोई किसी से ऊपर नहीं है. हम दोनों सेम लेवल के गलीच हैं. And that's the truth. It's a hard pill to swallow, but I hope that they swallow it. If I fight with somebody till the day I die, I'm not even saying in the show I die, till I physically am dead, gone to sleep, I cannot let it go.
In the 4th, 5th and 6th episode, they have shown a very volatile Apurva. If given a chance, would you want to correct that? If you guys have watched Traitors, you would know that some might call her a baddie. Some are calling her the queen. Well, I actually watched the 7th, 8th and 9th episodes a little early. And because I had to do her interview, Apurva Mukhija in the house. Traitor तो आप नहीं हो, आप तो innocent ही थे. But अभी आप, मुझे पता है कि शायद आप eliminate हो सकते हो. Let's keep that as a surprise because 10th episode आया नहीं है.
Yeah.
हाँ, तो मुझे आप बताइए कि you know when Traitors came to you as a show,
Yeah.
just tell me this honestly, when Traitors came to you as a show
Yeah.
versus the episodes that you see,
Yeah.
does that align or match with whatever you were told the show is going to be about?
When it came to me, so I was not even like offered Traitors. My agency was casting for Traitors. Like there's a team that does casting, and they were casting for
Pranav and
Traitors.
all.
Yeah, and they recommended my name. Of course, I was a much like smaller name in terms of following and the amount of work I've done. And everything, and so it was sort of this like my manager really like put up a fight to have me on the show, and so I did like multiple rounds of interviews with the Traitors team. I remember the last call I did with them, I was in Paris with a friend, and I have a recording from that also, and they were just like, you know, आप हमें बताओ आप क्या स्ट्रैटेजी लगाओगे अगर लोग आपके ऊपर शक करने वाले हैं तो. And I've said some fuck all strategy that makes no sense because I've never seen Traitors, right? And उसके बाद I'm freaking out, like telling my friend that I really wanted this, I really wanted to go, and now I've given this stupid answer, who's gonna take me? And he was like, are you insane? You were brilliant on the call. And so after 2 months I got to know that I am doing Traitors, and I was really 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 like excited, and it's sort of like seemed like this really big thing that I get to be a part of, that BBC is producing, and it's going to be on Amazon Prime, and there's Karan Johar. And so I was like very, very, very excited to be on the show for a while. Then I got like really anxious and like really like stressed कि मैं क्या करूँगी, मेरे से नहीं हो सकता है, मैं कैसे करूँगी, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती हूँ. And so even though like they tried making it like extremely, मतलब they did not want us to know कि कौन आने वाला है शो में, you still get to know from other people कि ये इंसान है शो में. और मुझे 7-8 लोगों की लिस्ट आई, and all of them like seemed so intimidating, like Raftaar, Karan Kundra, Mukesh Chhabra, like people that I've never spoken to. We don't hang around in the same circles. And I knew that everybody else is friends with everybody else somehow. And I don't know anybody from outside. So I just got really anxious and I was like, कुछ भी हो जाए मुझे बस first episode में बाहर नहीं निकलना है. Like अगर भगवान है तो भगवान मुझे first episode में बाहर नहीं निकाल सकता है. At least like give me a chance to be there for 2 episodes. And so when I went, I was very anxious. I'm in general a very anxious person. I can't be without my phone. I can't be without music, Netflix. Like I constantly need something to like make me feel better. And जब जैसे ही हमसे phone ले लिया, I was fully freaking out. Like I did not sleep a minute that night. Like my heart was constantly like racing. I called a doctor to my room that something's happening to me. She's like, it's anxiety. Shut up and sleep. And it was just like, I was so anxious going on that show. And it was also like shot a year ago almost. So I was a completely different person back then. I was a child. Like I'm still, like I was not a child in terms of my age, but mentally I was a child. I'm still somewhat a child, but I was way worse back then.
बट अंशुला से मैंने जब बात किया ना तो अंशुला ने मुझे एक चीज़ बोला कि जो हमने सोचा था कि शो होगा
Yeah.
और जो दिखा रहे थे टिल 6th एपिसोड, अभी आप लोगों ने 7th 8th 9th नहीं देखा, मैंने देखा है तो इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. 6th एपिसोड तक उसको लगा कि उन्होंने मुझे क्या बोला कि जब भी कोई झगड़ा होता था, लाइक इवन व्हेन रफ्तार एंड उर्फी वर फाइटिंग, पीपल वुड एक्चुअली लाइक tell them that this is not that show, like this will not make it to the cut. You were told primarily before you went on the show, but when you're seeing the edits, it's primarily the fights, right? So
Yeah.
did that
So my answer is not this simple. As much as I would like to say that Amazon has cut it out to be all fights and how dare they, and they told us they'll not do it. That is the audience that you're catering to. If
Yeah,
if you
absolutely.
make an intellectual show, let's be honest, nobody's watching
but it's
it.
not an intellectual show.
But
it's
it
a game
is
of
an intellectual-
deceit.
no,
yeah,
no, no,
it's a
no. But-
it's a show of intelligence.
Yeah, so if they make this to be an intelligent show, trust me, nobody will watch it. It's too difficult to watch people going around the same strategies, the same tu traitor, me traitor thing. For 10 episodes. In India, a format like this has to come with spice. That being said, have they cut out strategies and how we played the game? Yes. Does it hurt to see that? Yes. Because, we spent hours and hours, talking about the game and you can't see it. And so it looks like, especially for me, I to look like the most like सबसे लड़ाई करनी हूँ, सबसे बदतमीज इंसान हूँ, whatever. And to an extent, of course, it's true. डब नहीं कर दिया उन्होंने मेरी आवाज़. To an extent, it's true, but it's also कि जब हम गेम की बात कर रहे हैं उसमें से कुछ आया ही नहीं है. So, but I mean, I can't really blame Amazon for it because
It works.
it works, all of the views on Reels are about the fights.
But when you talk about the fights, you had a massive fight with Urfi in the first week.
Yeah.
That is the main crux of the show till the 10th episode. Like, and it's still continuing, if I'm not mistaken. Like, you guys don't like each
Yeah.
other.
So, the fight that I actually have with Urfi, where she has fully like lashed out at me, has been cut. Because there can't be two villains. And there's nobody better to play a villain than me. And I'm okay with it. I mean, I'm not okay with it. But they've cut it, and so it looks like it has happened sort of nowhere. There was also this fight between me and Jasmine, where at the table of Shak, she was like, I feel like तुम अपनी मम्मी का नाम यूज़ करती हो कि तुम्हें अपनी माँ की याद आ रही है और इसलिए तुम रो रही हो, पर एक्चुअल में तो तुम ट्रेटर हो, तुम बहुत ज़्यादा स्मार्ट हो. And then I was like, Jasmine, पहली बात तो आप बेवकूफ़ हो. Like, so there was this arc, and now it just looks like मैं out of nowhere Jasmine को बेवकूफ़ बोल रही हूँ. So a lot of it has been cut to make me seem like मैं लोगों से बिन बात के लड़ रही हूँ. But that's not how it happened. मैं लड़ रही थी सबसे, but there was a very well reasoning behind it.
But I have to ask you
Yeah.
then, so exactly what happened between you and Urfi? So I'll tell you what we have been
Yeah.
hearing,
Yeah.
reading. So there's a side to you which is basically that you were missing your parents,
Yeah.
and then Urfi kept coming to you, and then Urfi abused you, and then you abused back.
Okay, I will tell you. मिशन खत्म हो गया है, ठीक है. हम मिशन के बाद बैठे हुए हैं. लेक पे मिशन हुआ था जहाँ पे इन्हें जंप करके जाना था गोल्ड डिपॉजिट करने के लिए. मैं वहाँ पे बैठी हुई हूँ, चांद निकला हुआ है, कुछ तो फुल मून टाइप्स मून है, काफ़ी अच्छा चांद था. मैं चांद को देख के अपने अलग से बैठ के रो रही हूँ. जन्नत आके मेरे से पूछती है कि तुम क्यों रो रही हो. तो मैंने बोला कि उन्होंने मुझे बोला था कि मुझे 3 कॉल्स देंगे, मुझे कॉल नहीं दे रहे, आई एम गेटिंग एंग्शियस. मेरी माँ से लास्ट 1 महीने से बात नहीं हो रही है. मुझे लगा था ग्रेट, नहीं बात करूँगी मम्मी से, बट आई रियली मिस हर, आई एम गेटिंग वेरी एंग्शियस. तो जन्नत इज़ लाइक एंड आई टेल जन्नत कि तुम बस किसी को बोलना मत, बिकॉज द मोर पीपल नो द लेसर प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ देम एक्चुअली गिविंग मी अ कॉल. लाइक अगर एक बार सबको पता चल गया कि इसे कॉल चाहिए तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं देंगे मुझे कॉल. तो लाइक तुम जाके किसी को बोलना मत. एंड शी इज लाइक ठीक है, बट शी इज लाइक स्टिल कंसोलिंग मी वट एवर. तो हम लाइक अभी चली जाए यहाँ से, लाइक डोंट मेक इट सीम लाइक आई एम क्राइंग. एंड सो उर्फी कम्स एंड शी इज लाइक क्या हुआ है क्या हुआ है. तो मैंने बोला उर्फी मैं तुझे बाद में बताती हूँ, बिकॉज ऑल्सो आर माइक्स आर ऑन राइट. सो आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू टेल एवरीबडी. जन्नत के टाइम पे मैंने माइक पकड़ा था, अब अगर मैं 3 बार माइक पकड़ूंगी तो फिर आके मुझे सुनाएंगे. सो आई एम लाइक उर्फी अभी मत बात करो, मैं तुमसे बाद में बात करती हूँ राइट. एंड शी इज़ लाइक नहीं नहीं अभी बताओ अभी बताओ अभी बताओ. आई थिंक शी थॉट कि हम कुछ गेम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, हम उसके ट्रेटर होने के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. एंड शी वाज लाइक अभी बताओ अभी बताओ अभी बताओ. एंड जन्नत ने उसे बोला उर्फी अभी रहने दे. एंड सो शी इज़ लाइक तुम दोनों अलग से एक टीम बना के बैठे हुए हो, फिर वन ग्रुप, ऐसा तुम कैसे कर सकते हो. एंड आई वाज लाइक उर्फी नॉट एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट यू. एंड आई एम क्राइंग. सो माई टोन इज लाइक उर्फी not every, like I'm not shouting because I'm crying. I can't do two things at the same time. I mean I can if I'm fighting with my parents, then I can do both, crying and shouting. But anyway उसका हम लोग पैलेस में वापस जाते हैं. एंड देन उर्फी कॉल्स मी कि इधर आओ. तो मैंने बोला कि उर्फी पहली बात तो आराम से, आई जस्ट सेड आराम से. एंड शी वाज लाइक तमीज़ से बात करो मेरे से, तुम्हारा लेवल नहीं है मेरे से बात करने का, ये वो. एंड उर्फी इन हर स्टोरी टाइम और लाइक वट एवर शी इज़ मेड हैज़ सेड कि मैंने उसे बोला चली जाओ. अगर मैंने ये बोला होता तो उर्फी अपनी वीडियो में ना बोलती कि मैंने उसे गाली दी थी. ये जो अपने दिमाग की बात है, ये जो मन घड़ंत कहानियाँ उर्फी सुना रही है आर नॉट ट्रू. आई डिडंट अब्यूज़ हर टिल शी सेड कि तुम्हारी मेरे से बात करने की बात नहीं है ये वो. एंड इवन दैट वेरी सेम डे आई डिड नॉट से एनीथिंग टू हर. आई वेंट बैक होम बाय होम आई मीन द रूम दैट वी वर स्टेइंग इन. आई वेंट बैक देयर. मेरी एक दोस्त ने मेरे लिए एक डायरी लिखी थी जिसमें 15 पेजेस थे, 1 पेज फॉर एवरी सिंगल डे दैट आई एम शूटिंग फॉर ट्रेटर्स. एंड सो नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग में आई रेड पेज नंबर 3 एंड इट सेड अगर कोई भी तुझे कुछ भी उल्टा सीधा बोले तो उनकी. एंड इट सॉर्ट ऑफ फेल्ट लाइक दिस यूनिवर्स का साइन कि अब तो लड़ाई होनी चाहिए फुल्ली. एंड it has continued for the rest of the episode because for the rest of the episodes because we have had that equation. उसके बाद भी उर्फी ने मुझे काफ़ी कुछ उल्टा सीधा बोला है. Every time I used to sit somewhere, उर्फी would get up and leave from there. And I cannot be making this up. You can ask any of the cast members. It has happened, right? वो सब नहीं दिखाया है, सिर्फ मैं मेरी वीडियो में बोल रही हूँ कि उर्फी जावेद को मैं गेम से निकालना चाहती हूँ, विच आई एम ऑल्सो लाइक रियली पेटी. लाइक इफ आई फाइट विद समबडी टिल द डे आई die. I'm not even saying in the show I die. Till I physically am dead, gone to sleep, I cannot let it go. That's just who I am. And it felt really bad to me. And I did consider her my friend. And so every episode has like, I hate Urfi, which I did. But then I grew up and I was like, shut up.
But there is no ways that you both can be friends.
I don't have anything against Urfi. I think she played the game also really well, and she's the way that she's, you know, used her fame and everything, she's done it really well, and I really respect her, right? Whatever like she's made out of her life has been incredible. Her journey from getting out in the first episode of Big Boss to now Traitors is incredible, right? And I have nothing against her as a person. What really hurt me was that when I made my story time, I never once lied in it. I would not dare lie in my story time because और 20 लोग हैं जिन्होंने ये सब देखा है. So if somebody comes out and says कि अपूर्वा झूठ बोल रही है, it's going to look really bad on me, right? This has happened. I never lied. However, I wanted to make reaction videos with people कि हमारे एपिसोड का रिएक्शन करेंगे. So I texted उर्फी कि देख हमारी लड़ाई हुई है शो में, it will get picked up, people will talk about it. So I just said कि लास्ट एपिसोड का रिएक्शन हम लोग इकट्ठे बना लेंगे. She has leaked those chats, which A, invasion of privacy, B, you never even spoke to me about it, C, I gave you fair warning that I am going to make this video. I've never once lied in my video about it. I've just said things the way that I have felt it because it's my story time. Why the do I care about your feelings in my story time? This is my story. Anyway, she has leaked this chat and she said everything on the internet is planned. This was all planned. We have sorted it out when we in fact have never sorted it out. We have never spoken to each other. None of us have apologized to each other. None of that has happened. I gave you the chance to come on my channel and say the biggest that you can say to people and to me and clarify everything, and you've somehow spinned it around to be like मैं झूठ बोल रही हूँ. And so now I don't want to like associate with her because it's just a little scary talking to people like that who will go around leaking your chats and spin the narrative in their favor. And even though like I don't hate her, I have nothing against her. Of course, in the game I fully hated her and I fully had everything against her. And you also have to realize that it's a very high stress, anxiety inducing environment where you don't have any like contact to the outside world, so everything that is happening there feels like the reality and the end of the world, and you take things personally because it's impossible not to, because that becomes your entire life, that show. And so, of course, I did hate her for the rest of the episodes. And I think rightfully so. I don't care what anybody else thinks. I think that I was right in hating her. But I don't now. But I don't want to be friends. I don't want to talk to her.
But fourth, fifth, and sixth episode, Apurva, even when I was talking to Sufi, I spoke to him and I spoke to you also. Don't you feel like if you go back, a lot of people, like you said, that there has been moments where things have been shown, right? Even in the fourth, fifth, and sixth episode, they have shown a very volatile Apurva. They have shown you, Sufi, and many others, not just you and Sufi. There's Harsh, there is Purav also, who's used abuses and expletives. If given a chance, would you want to correct that?
हमें Amazon ने बोला था that they will never keep any गाली. We were constantly told that no गालियाँ will be aired in the show. And now it's there. So when I saw the episode, I was like, what you know? And I can't sit and be like, that's not me. That is me. But that's not my entire truth, right? I come off as really बदतमीज and really mean. And you know, मेरी तो VDs भी like आगे की VDs पहले वाले episode में डाल दी हैं. Like my fourth episode का VDs are being shown in the second episode to make it seem like I hate Jasmine, जबकि Jasmine में कोई बात ही नहीं हुई है तब तक. Right?
On the show?
नहीं, fourth episode तक Jasmine and I had not fought. We fought on the Circle of Shak where I call her बेवकूफ़ because she targets me and my situation with my mom, right? And उसके बाद हुई हैं ये सारी लड़ाइयाँ. And उन्होंने वो second episode की VDs में डाल रखा है to build that arc where I am this like villainous mean girl, and I have said these things about people but with context. And you also have to, you know, यार अब हमें बोला गया सिर्फ गेम की बात डालेंगे, ठीक है? आप अपने एक दोस्त के साथ बैठे हुए हो, you're like अरे यार ये, so you're not abusing the person. I absolutely love Ashish Ji. He was nothing but kind to me on the show. I have apologized to him in private. I've spoken to him in private. And I deeply, deeply, deeply regret that I spoke that way because, and I didn't even realize that I'm speaking that way, right? Like I'm खुसपुस कर रहे हैं एक corner में, which has been picked up. And trust me when I say this, people have said way worse on the show and it's not been shown. And I can't complain about that, right? Because मैंने तो अपनी गलती की है यार. I can only speak about that. That was never my intent. That will never be my intent. I love Ashish Ji. I have nothing but respect for him. And I do wish that, you know, maybe if like I was a bit more mindful and, you know, if I didn't believe everything that was being told to us, I would have just, you know, not said that. And also
Be a little more cautious.
Yeah. Because I, of course, don't mean that disrespect, right? It's just how I was speaking to a friend, but that doesn't change the fact that it still comes off as disrespectful.
Yeah. Sudhanshu, even in this episode, like the 7th, 8th, and 9th episode, when you watch it, you will see. He has said that you do realize that you're a strong girl to you.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? When you are going through your own set of challenges, your friends are going out and everything, and you're alone and lonely in the house. But he goes on to vote you out. Also, he's recently put out a video. Did that surprise you? Because you've not said anything bad against him on the show, though. But did you see that video? Did you see the things that he said about you?
Of course, 10,000%. It was very surprising because he never once, like in private, told me that he's hurt by my actions or anything. And we've worked like also on the promo days together. I've met him after that. He's always like, oh, tu to mera bachcha hai, tu mera bachcha hai, like stuff like that. And so if like I am your kid as you tell me to be, why didn't you correct your child in private first? And then you can go on your rant, right? But again, if that is his truth and that feels good for him, if he thinks that it is his moral responsibility to talk about it, then I get it. You know, he can of course go and say anything that he wants to. He doesn't owe me anything. Did it hurt? Yes. I even texted Sudhanshuji that, you know, I'm so sorry that you felt this way, but had you just told me once, you know, in private, it would have felt better. And he was like, you know, I consider you my child, and, you know, I didn't like your language. So I said, okay, makes sense. My battle is not with him, yeah. Like, of course, 10,000. See, it's also this show that makes you, like, hate people and doubt people. So I knew that once we come out of the show, a lot of people will have a lot of things to say about me on the show, about the show. And I have said a lot of things about people. So how can I expect people to not say things about me?
But at the same time, when I feel like you and Nikita and Jannat, you guys got it almost put together. Like you put everything together in the 7th, 8th, 9th episode ki kahan se kya ho raha hai aur kyun ho raha hai. You know, you guys almost got that Harsh is also the new recruit. Nikita also got it, but Nikita couldn't get Harsh. Nikita got the whole timeline right because she was of course offered to be a traitor and she refused and she got the whole timeline. वो होता है ना कि वो problem solving में आपको explain करना पड़ता है कि why do you think this is the answer. So you guys got the why right.
Yeah.
You guys got the who wrong.
Yeah.
Despite knowing or feeling that it is Harsh. You
I
still
तो
went
said
ahead.
Harsh.
You still went ahead and voted for
But
Anshula.
मैंने तो पूरे 9th episode मोर्चा चलाया है यार.
But 8वें
हर्ष का.
episode में आपने Anshula को vote out.
So me and Jannat had decided that let's not remove Harsh in this episode.
Oh.
Because if we remove
Yeah.
Harsh, then another blackmail happens. Then another traitor happens. And we did not want another traitor to get recruited because we would have been again at 0 had we gotten Harsh in that episode. So we were like, let's get Anshula. And then next episode, let's get Harsh. Because अब एक और बंदा ट्रेटर बन गया, then we won't have enough time to figure out who the traitor is. It could very well have been Jannat who would have gotten recruited, right? So we're like, इस episode में हम अंशुला को निकालते हैं. So that's what we did. And you can't see it like in the show, at least in the first like 6 episodes that I've seen. But Jannat was sharp. Like, I don't know why they have given her this edit, but Jannat was insanely like intelligent.
I to always believe that she's sharp.
Yeah.
You know, there's a conversation that I've been having with her when I called her. I said that you're looking cute you're very cute on the show.
Yeah.
And I have called her, I've told her that I'm going to protect you like a brother. And I've said it right here when she did an
Yeah.
episode. And I'm like, you are like my sister. And I'm going to say this without any bias. I told her you're cute. She's like, but I'm looking very dumb. And yesterday after watching, she has not seen, right? So I told her, when I saw the mathematics that she has done
Yeah.
to point out who's who
Yeah.
and the whole mathematics of why we shouldn't get Harsh because there'll be another
Yeah.
recruitment, I felt that she's one of the sharpest. And if you see,
Yeah.
when you will see why Harsh actually decided to kill Jannat, you will realize that he decided to kill Jannat because he felt
She was the
that
glue,
she was one of the...
but she was the glue holding everything together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But even after that, जैस्मिन को भी वो बोल के गई थी ये बात, उर्फी को नहीं बोली थी, बट जैस्मिन को भी ये बोल के गई थी कि अगर मैं आज मरती हूँ, she also told उर्फी. Jasmine told Urfi.
Told Jasmine, correct.
Jasmine told Urfi. She told Jasmine that मैंने अपूर्वा से ये बात कर रखी है और मैं तुमको बोल रही हूँ कि अगर मेरा मर्डर कल हो जाता है, तो then you have to vote for Harsh.
Yeah.
And even then, Jasmine didn't vote for Harsh and she voted against you.
Yeah.
What is your opinion on that?
It's a game, yaar, and it's really difficult to keep your personal emotions separate because you can't. It's impossible. As humans, the one thing that you operate the most on are emotions. You cannot keep your personal emotions with people aside. It's really tough. I know from outside it seems like it's easy and we would have done that and you can't do it. You are 24 hours living there. at your room alone, you have a shadow following you around, you have wind chimes at your door, so even if अगर तुम्हें हवा खाने के लिए भी चाहिए, they would ring it and they would figure out that you're trying to get out of your room. You're told what to wear, they take your entire wardrobe, you can't speak to anybody till the time you don't enter the breakfast table, you don't know if you've been murdered, like तुम अपना hair makeup करा के आए हो and now you're murdered, तुम्हें अगली सुबह पता चलता है. You don't know what is happening to you. It's so anxiety inducing, and it really like tests your brain that you don't understand. Like even when you have everything right, you just can't seem to understand it. And भाई हम लिटरली रियल लाइफ में हमारे पास ऐसे दोस्त होते हैं जो ट्रेटर निकलते हैं एंड वी कांट अंडरस्टैंड दैट, और तुम बोल रहे हो कि तुम एक गेम खेल रहे हो जहाँ पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट ही यही है और वो तुम्हें समझ आ जाएगा. कोई इतना ज्ञानी नहीं होता. हमें भी उस टाइम पे लग रहा था कि हम तोप आदमी हैं, एकदम ज्ञानी हैं, पर नहीं होता यार. टू बी इन दैट सिचुएशन इज जस्ट completely different.
There's a very funny part in these 3 episodes where you actually get drunk. Okay. I want to ask you, now that you know and now that you have that comfort, I have every right to ask you. I don't know if I'm getting it wrong, okay? वो episode में ना, you are saying that I really want to talk to him, I really want to talk to... Who is this him? Were you in a relationship? Were you...
No. I have no idea.
You're talking to Sufi and you're getting emotional about something.
But
Maybe I got it wrong. I can't see the episodes anymore because वो चले गए, but...
I was mostly crying because I was like, I hate this game. Like, I have sat down for 3 hours and just cried with Sufi that I don't want to be here. I really want to get out. And they've cut all my videos where I'm like, I don't want to be here. But I really hated it. And I was so anxious. Like, I would not eat the entire day because there would be a pit in my stomach. My heart would keep racing. रोज आओ किसी से लड़ाई हो जाती है. मतलब आदमी करे तो करे क्या यार. आई वॉज सो, मैं तो इसी बात पर रो रही थी मोस्टली, बट आई वॉज नॉट सीइंग एनीबडी एट दैट टाइम. देयर वॉज नोबडी दैट आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू. आई हैव नो आइडिया. आई थिंक इट्स प्रॉबेबली अ फ्रेंड मोर देन अ बॉयफ्रेंड. इफ आई सेड हिम, इट
मुझे भी एक्चुअली ठीक से समझ नहीं आ रहा है एक्चुअली, बिकॉज दैट टाइम अभी वो है नहीं ना मेरे पास एपिसोड, नहीं तो मैं पूछता देख लेता एक बार. सो प्लीज गाइज, इफ यू गाइज सी द एपिसोड एंड यू थिंक इट ये थोड़ा गड़बड़ हो सकता है, बट आई जस्ट फील लाइक मे बी कोई हो सकता है, तो मैंने इसलिए पूछ लिया.
बट उस टाइम
बट इट्स अ वेरी फन एपिसोड.
बट उस टाइम पे लाइक एवरीबडी वाज लाइक कि
everybody was, Sufi was also a little tipsy only, I feel.
everybody was like, let's not drink, you know, because a murder's gonna happen. I was like, you all murder me and you all murder me right now, right? And they didn't give us like any hard alcohol, so I've had a bottle of wine alone because I don't drink
And you
wine.
spilled the wine on the
I don't
billiards
drink wine,
board.
so I don't know like how wine like affects the brain. And so I have gotten fully drunk on Prime Video, and I'm just so scared for that episode to come out.
No, but
because-
it's cute.
But I've cried so much in that episode, so much. Like all of my makeup has like got पूरा makeup. मुझे बस घर जाना था. मैं बस पूरा और सूफी को हक करके रो रही थी, मुझे बस घर भेज दो, मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है.
But one thing that happened is you were the least trusted
Yeah.
person in that crossfire thing which
Yeah.
they did.
Yeah.
And then you got the chance to give a dagger.
Yeah.
And unknowingly you gave the dagger to the traitor.
Ever since
But it did work in your favor though. He voted double time for Harsh.
Ever since that episode I've shot, right, and I've found out that Purav is the traitor. Every single day I've thought about that episode. That I am going to look like the biggest idiot when I am like, idiots, don't you know? I'm the bitch of the season. And I've said all this, right? I've called like Urfi and everybody like, idiots, 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 idiots. And I go and I hand the dagger to Purav. मेरे से बड़ा तो idiot कोई है ही नहीं.
Nahi, I'll tell you why you are not an idiot.
Of course.
Because the dagger was not to kill an innocent. It was to give a person whose vote will be counted twice.
Yeah.
So I didn't want to tell you this, but now I'm going to explain why it worked in your favor. Except you, the only other person who voted that day for Harsh
Yeah.
was Purav.
Yeah.
Right? So it was 4-3. सुधांशु जी ने आपको वोट दिया है.
Yeah.
Right? So the whole thing is that apart from you, the only other person who voted
Yeah.
for Harsh
Yeah.
was Purav.
Yeah.
And Purav का double count हुआ है. So it was if you didn't give it to Purav,
Yeah.
you would have anyway been eliminated.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's a wrong move from a viewer's point of view, especially.
Yeah. But
Just clarifying.
I also like I have said this in my VDs also. I think after one point I didn't even like care if Purav was a traitor because he was the only friend I had there. So for me मुझे ये था कि अगर भाई अगर मतलब मैंने निकाल भी दिया इसको और ये ट्रेटर निकला भी, मैं बात किससे करूँगी कल सुबह उठ के और मैं किसके साथ खेलूँगी ये गेम. बिकॉज 10th में आपको ना जलील करके निकाला जाता है, इज व्हाट आई फील. 10th एपिसोड में यू डोंट गेट अ चांस टू स्पीक, you don't get to give a speech. They don't even tell if this person is an innocent or a traitor. बस निकाल देते हैं कि अब आपका नाम 3 लोगों ने, अब जाओ. तो ऐसे करके बहुत सारे eliminations होते हैं 10th में. I was like, if I have to go, God, please make it the 9th episode for me to leave. And I like, since I woke up, my shadow, I've been like, I'm going today, pack my bags, I'm going today, pack my bag. And every single person on set, I was like, I hope I'm going today, I hope I'm going today, I hope I'm going today, right? And I used to wear this watch every single day in Traitors. And I was like, if I survive 4 episodes, I'm going to replace this watch by a Bulgari Serpenti. And I stayed for more than 4 episodes, but I never removed this watch, even for one day in Traitors. And the 9th episode, I removed this watch, and I was like, I know you're my good luck charm. I just hope that today I go. And I was very like chill also because I wanted to go. तो मुझे किसी को बैठ के explain नहीं करना था कि मैं क्यों traitor नहीं हूँ. Like I was too tired.
Yeah,
of-
there's a point you just say that I am the traitor.
Yeah.
I feel that was a death knell. That now that you're telling me that you wanted to leave, I understand. But as an audience, I felt like Nikita still asked you after questioning you.
Bro.
Nikita gave you a chance. Are you the traitor? And you're like,
Arey, but you
I
have-
am tired of explaining. I am the traitor.
You have not seen our conversations, right? So after this fire thing where I get the dagger, Sudhanshu ji comes up to me and he's like, you have just given up. Go and talk to people and tell them that you're not the traitor. So I have had individual conversations explaining to everybody.
Yeah, you go to Jasmine. That is there.
I go to Jasmine, I go to Harsh, I don't go to. I go to Sudhanshu ji and I go to Nikita. And then Sudhanshu ji on the table of, on the circle of Shak is like, but
तुमने
आज
बहुत
तो
ज़्यादा
मैं-"
explanation.
And I was like, you told me. I took your advice because you used to always keep your hand on my head and be like, तुम मेरी बच्ची हो. So I took your advice at face value. And how dare I? I'm so sorry. And मैंने निकिता को भी जाके बताया था कि निकिता यार मैं नहीं हूँ, मैंने ये मैथ ये वो. एंड फिर मुझसे पूछ रही है. तो मैंने बोला कि अब मैं कुछ भी बोल लूँगी ना तो नहीं हो पाएगा. एंड दिस इज़ माई एपिसोड. लाइक आई वांट टू गो आउट. सो आई वाज लाइक हूँ मैं ट्रेटर.
पर अभी तो पता ही नहीं है ना कि आप आउट हुए हो कि हर्ष.
Yeah.
क्योंकि आप फिनाले
But
तक
I
तो
really
वो-
want to get out in that episode.
Yeah.
But
I just want to know that today, when you look back at everything and whatever is happening, whatever has happened, right now as we are speaking, there are allegations that have happened on social media. If you may see,
Yeah.
Urfi's sister
Yeah.
has actually put out your post and said
Yeah.
that you guys have abused both you and
Yeah.
Sufi.
yeah.
And then she's also said that she's making faces
Yeah.
at my sister, and then you guys are playing hypocrites. What would you say to them?
बदतमीजी की बात उर्फी और उर्फी के घर के लोग ना करें तो ठीक है, इज़ ऑल आई वुड से. मैंने अपनी वीडियो में भी बोला था कि कोई किसी से ऊपर नहीं है, हम दोनों सेम लेवल के गलीच हैं. एंड दैट्स द ट्रूथ. इट्स अ हार्ड पिल टू स्वॉलो बट आई होप दैट दे स्वॉलो इट. एंड आई डोंट लाई. जो हुआ है वो हुआ है. अब ना मेरा हो गया है इस शो से. मैं चाहती हूँ कि अब ये शो आके बस ख़त्म हो जाए क्योंकि बहुत लंबा चल गया है. लाइक वी शॉट इट. हम वहाँ लड़ रहे थे, फिर उसके 9 महीने के बाद हमने एक दूसरे बारे में बकवास करी. अब ये शो आ गया, अभी भी हम बकवास ही कर रहे हैं. सो नाउ आई जस्ट वांटेड टू स्टॉप यार. मतलब अब मज़े नहीं आ रहे, अब हो गया है. तो उन्हें अब जो बोलना है वो बोलते रहें. 5 लोग स्टोरी देख रहे हैं. वो ऐसा भी मैं खुश नहीं हो सकती कि चलो नेगेटिव पब्लिसिटी, स्टिल पब्लिसिटी ही नहीं है, कोई देख ही नहीं रहा है जो वो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं. सो आई एम लाइक ओवर इट, मूविंग ऑन. वैसा सीन अभी तो.
You're born with Jannat,
या
Sufi,
या
and Purav.
या
These are 3 friends that you made, And in fact, to the extent that Purav actually voted against his own fellow recruit to save you, because there's a point where Harsh comes to convince him to not vote against him. And when he's sitting solo, he's like, हर्ष भाई मैं आपको बहुत पसंद करता हूँ, बट जो मेरी बॉन्ड अपूर्वा के साथ हुई है वो
Yeah.
आपके साथ नहीं हो पाई है, और उसने मुझ पे भरोसा किया है, तो मैं उसको लेट डाउन नहीं कर पाऊंगा.
Yeah.
Thus, despite being a traitor who could easily kill you and save another fellow traitor, he went and he actually voted against his own teammate at that point to save you for the friendship. What do you have to say about that? And also with Jannat, the kind of strategies that you guys had, honestly, oh my god, everybody thought that you guys are fighting, but it was a fake fight.
Yeah.
I think it was smart move, buddy.
Yeah.
And दूसरी बार ये करना और लोगों को फूल करना,
Yeah.
भैया तुम तो कुछ अलग लेवल की दिमाग चलाती हो कि
यार मुझे ना समझ आ गया था कि मैं ट्रेटर नहीं पकड़ पा रही हूँ.
बहन
तो I was like, what else can I do to play this
तुम
game?
उर्फी को इन्फ्लुएंशियल बोलती हो, मुझे लगता है तुम इन्फ्लुएंशियल थी बहुत ज्यादा.
यार मेरे ना सारे बंदे मार दिए is what it is. तो एंड में मेरे पास कुछ बचा नहीं यार to play with. Jannat is honestly just, she's too sweet, yeah. Like she's just so nice and empathetic, and she tries to understand people, and she was also playing the game, and she was playing a good game, right? And the only person in that palace that I could trust for like this shield wala jhoot and everything was Jannat. So I was like, if I go and I tell Jannat, right, ki do it, and you can see it, like I tell her and she's like, okay, no questions asked, no kyun ye wo, okay. And I love like friendships like that, and so I wish that they showed like more of me and Jannat being together, because we've had some really fun conversations. But Jannat was great. Sufi and I sort of became friends on the show. I used to hate Sufi before the show. So जब मैं गई थी और मेरे से करण जौहर ने पूछा था who's the first person you would kill, I'd be like Sufi Motiwala. Like I hated him to that extent. And he
Why?
यार वो मेरे घर आया था एक बार, एंड एज आई सेड आई एम लाइक रियली पेटी, आई कांट लेट थिंग्स गो. तो मेरे घर आया था, ही पास्ट लाइक सम कमेंट्स ऑन बट यू ड्रेस अप लाइक दैट वे एंड आई डोंट लाइक इट. एंड आई वाज लाइक तू कौन है? तू मैकडॉनल्ड्स खा रहा है, मैंने मंगाया मेरे पैसों का. पानी जो तू पी रहा है मेरे घर का, मेरे घर पे तू बैठा है, ये सब. तो आई वाज लाइक आई हेट हिम, आई जस्ट हेट हिम. ठीक है, तो मैं इसलिए एकदम वैसे गई थी कि आई हेट हिम. बट देन ही केम एंड ही हग्ड मी एंड ही वाज लाइक आई हैव ऑलवेज गॉट योर बैक. एंड in a show where you're not supposed to trust people, I somehow really did trust him. And it was just then me, Sufi, Janvi ji, and sometimes Jannat, because she used to keep oscillating between me and Urfi, just sitting and like talking about some random things only.
And you cried so much when the
Dude,
whole Sufi funeral has happened on the
Dude,
show.
so Sufi was like मेरी दादी या नानी, I don't remember now. He was like मेरी दादी या नानी एक बार कुछ बोल देना तो वो होके ही रहता है, आज तो उनकी कोई भी बात गलत नहीं हुई है ये वो. And so he said कि मेरी दादी ने बोल के भेजा है कि मैं ही ये शो जीतूंगा. And he truly like in his heart believed it, right, that he is going to win. And like I didn't want to win, I didn't want to be in that show. I was like, now I have this, I have the rest of like these 2-3 episodes. For what? To play it without my friend and to live his dream that I didn't even want. And I was so sad that, you know, कि यार कुछ भी दोस्तों के बिना करने में मज़ा नहीं आता. Like even if I won the show, except for पूरव, मैं किसी के साथ वो शो जीतना ही नहीं चाहती थी.
पूरव के साथ तो आप जीत नहीं पाते.
Exactly, क्योंकि वो ट्रेटर था. तो मतलब मेरे लिए ऐसा था कि this is now a pointless game. Why do I play it? For what? For more screen time? I think I got plenty. Let's not.
Yeah.
So it was just very heartbreaking. But हाँ, पूरव के साथ भी it was, यार मतलब हम इतना हंसते थे ना सब लोग साथ में. Like even when Raftaar Paji was there, we used to really like have conversations about life and laugh, and like I know Purav की पूरी life story, he knows मेरी पूरी life story, and we've spoken about all that there. And then we got drunk together, and पी के तो वैसे ही आप लोग एकदम ऐसे जाते ना कि अरे यार तू ही मेरा भाई है ये वो. So we did all of that. And आई थिंक अगर पूरव उस दिन नहीं वोट करता हर्ष के लिए तो मैं तो भाई कूद जाती वहीं से. लाइक आई वुड हैव बीन लाइक भाड़ में गया तुम्हारा सर्कल ऑफ शक, तुम सब भाड़ में जाओ, मुझे नहीं बताना मैं इनोसेंट का ट्रेटर, मैं जा रही हूँ, मेरा सामान पैक्ड है तो मैं जा रही हूँ वैसा. तो या बट आई एम सो ग्लैड दैट ही वोटेड फॉर हर्ष.
बट जाते जाते यही पूछूंगा कि सूफी मोतीवाला एंड यू हैव हैड अ फ्रेंडशिप व्हिच फ्रॉम
ये दोस्ती दुनिया याद रखेगी.
यही he has actually, when I interviewed him, he spoke so highly of you.
Yeah.
He's taken such right stands for you, right? Today, he's also having another kind of a battle
Yeah.
where he's judged for his sexuality, for his openness. You know, there has been a point where I have known Sufi for a good 1.5, 2 years now. There was a point when I had actually, but I am not that person. Like if I know you,
Yeah.
if I think I don't agree with something, I will never come and publicly shame you, but I
Yeah.
would come and tell you that maybe this went a little too
Yeah.
far. There was a point I had told Sufi
Yeah.
that sometimes the things that you're saying, you are not saying the wrong things. The tonality is the problem. And he told me that it came from many, many years of, you
Yeah.
know, rage and
Yeah.
helplessness and
Yeah.
feeling unloved, feeling like insecurities basically. And do you also feel that sometimes the anger that comes out, that came out especially last year, this is before everything that happened in your life, right? Today there's a different Apurva, but is there anything that you would do differently if you go back and do it?
Mm, yeah, it's really difficult to like imagine myself now. I would not do a show like this now,
So
honestly.
no Big Boss.
I wouldn't. Well, I love some rumors about me, so I'm not gonna deny. I'm not gonna confirm. But I think I would have been way more secure in who I was as a person. I think a lot of the things that I did came out of insecurity. And just this constant fear of not being enough and having imposter syndrome of being on that show. And when it comes to Sophie, dude, Sophie's 21. He hangs out with every single person that you can think from Bollywood. It's a really difficult balance to maintain, right? People are like, how can you be friends with him when he's so mean to people on the internet? You are the people that made those videos famous. Every single time he would say a mean thing, you would get him 5 million views. But if he would say something nice, it would only be at 100K views. So you, as viewers, want to see that because you, as viewers, hate Bollywood people in Bollywood. You hate what they wear. You want somebody to say it in a video because you can't say it.
Viewers love hatred. So
Yes,
मैंने बोला, नफरत.
you all love it. You all made him famous. I know he has a very empathetic, a very sweet side to him. But every time he does that and he would go on a podcast and he would talk about deep things, nobody would watch it because you all love hating on other people. So you made him famous. To me, the friend that he has been, I'm forever indebted to him. I was so scared of Traitors coming out, especially like after Latent. I was like, I'm going to get cancelled again. I hate it. I hope this show doesn't come out. And even on the show, I was like, I hate this show. I want to go out. And Suvi was like, Apurva, people dream of having a reality TV show. And then people dream of the drama that would follow after that reality TV show. You are living the dream. Don't waste it. Don't throw it away. Don't constantly complain and don't tell God that you're not grateful. So even after like this drop, I had a lot of hate. But I was like, isn't this what reality TV is?
But this drop is actually gonna establish. I'm telling you, after this, everybody will understand because they have not shown any fight in this drop. This was more about strategizing, about accusations about the game, who's a traitor, who's not, and genuinely about mind games. Like everybody is playing around with each other, also because they don't really know that whoever they're talking to, whether they can actually trust them or not.
Yeah.
So there's this gray area that everybody is on, like everybody is on shaky grounds के अच्छा मैंने बोल तो दिया पर ये मेरी दोस्त है या मेरा दोस्त है पर एक्चुअल में ट्रेटर तो नहीं है. So that whole idea of the game comes together in these 3 episodes. We'll wait for the finale. But jate jate, I'm gonna give you names and you have to tell me what's that one quality that you admire about them and one quality that you wish they changed about themselves. Okay?
Okay. I don't think I should be commenting on other people's qualities जिनके खुद के घर कांच के बने होते हैं.
वो दूसरों के घर पे पत्थर नहीं
ये
मारते.
वही तो.
But Apurva, आप ही के नाम से चालू करना है. One
Okay.
quality that you love about yourself, one quality that you wish you change.
One quality that I love about myself. I think I have great like speaking capability. I can convince people, so I like it. I can sway people.
And what do you want to change?
Gali dena.
Urfi.
I think she's very smart. Like, in terms of where she's gotten in her career and how she's gotten there. And like, I think she's one of those like very brilliant people who know how to use their resources to get the maximum out of it. And the one thing that I think she should change is, I don't know, her ego. But I also have a lot of ego. So yeah, ego.
Sufi.
Sufi has the funniest one-liners. Like sometimes I write it in my notes that I'm going to use it somewhere because it's so funny. Like he said on the show also, I don't know if it's there, but he said, I thought I was Isaac the fucking Newton, but I'm just Boo Boo the fool. And I found it so funny, right? He's really funny, and he's so like he has so much pop culture knowledge from the States, from Europe, from India, that he has like, sort of like absorbed everything and became like the non-drag queen version of a drag queen.
Yeah.
That's what he is.
And what do you not like about him? Like, what do you wish he changed?
He gets like very कैसे समझाऊं मैं मतलब उसे न एकदम से उसे किसी चीज़ का बुरा लग जाता है देन ही इज लाइक अब घर चलो हो गया मेरा अब मुझे नहीं करना लाइक ही गेट्स वेरी वो कि सडनली ही इज डिटैच्ड सडनली आई हेट यू वैसा
ऐसा हुआ है आपके साथ, उसके साथ?
हाँ वो होता रहता है उसके साथ पर वो वापस आ जाता है 5-6 दिन के बाद कि अभी ठीक है अभी हो गया ये सब खत्म.
Jannat.
Oh my god, what to say about Jannat? Jannat is so sweet, she's so kind, she's so humble, she's like, I love everything about her. If I could tell her to change one thing, it would be maybe some people don't deserve
The kindness.
the kindness that she has.
I
yes.
would say the same.
Yeah.
Stop being kind to the wrong people.
Yeah.
One actress had told me,
Yeah.
did you need to Samantha had told me.
Oh.
So I was telling her what was happening in my life.
Yeah.
And she had sent me a quote.
Yeah. What?
Stop being kind to assholes. I keep it very close to my heart.
Yeah. That's a
I'm
good
not being
quote to
able to
follow.
do that. I know,
Yeah.
but I try
Yeah.
sometimes. Purav. मैं नाम सोच रहा हूँ.
Damn. Purav is a really good actor. The one thing I would ask him to change is that sometimes like he takes things to like his heart. And I feel like मतलब उसको ऐसा नहीं लगना चाहिए कि उसे किसी को भी कुछ भी प्रूव करने की जरूरत है. He's Purav Jha. I don't think sometimes he realizes that. Yeah.
Karan Kundra.
Oh, Karan is also like so sweet.
He's an amazing guy.
His best quality is that he knows how to be a great person inside out. Like, he's kind, he's empathetic, he's very humble. And the one thing that I would ask him to change is absolutely nothing. I don't think he has anything to change.
Okay. Elnaz.
Oh God, Elnaz is a mastermind. She's one of the smartest women I've ever met. The one
I
thing,
loved her on the show.
yeah, she's my favorite
Even
player.
Purav. Both of
I
them were
have
absolutely
said it
good.
in every single video that I've done that Elnaz. Babe, you take a bow. Like the crying thing, she's done that, by the way, elaborately for 15 minutes. Like she's first poked herself, she's asked somebody to like do foo-foo in her eye, then she started crying, and she's wearing this top where like her tits are looking great. So when she's crying, she's like, and it's just like it's Bollywood at its finest. I did not have it in my heart to vote for her. I was like, this girl, I want to take her to the finale. Come with me. She was really good. What?
One quality that you don't like.
Yeah, I don't know her deeply enough to.
Jasmine.
Jasmine, I think, doubts herself a little too much. I think she got Purav and Elnaz a lot of times and she just never told it to anybody. And I was also like, Jasmine ko to kuch aata nahi hai. But she was actually like, when I now see the show and the conversations that she hasn't had in private, she was actually spot on. On the circle of Shak, she was somewhere else
Exactly.
only.
That's what I told her. That you get it spot on, but when you have to vote, you're voting for the wrong people.
Yeah.
Anshula.
Anshula, you know how there are people who like really follow rules. She's that. And it's such like, she has such great discipline in life. It's a great quality to have. If she could change something, she could be a little less disciplined.
Ashish ji. Last two.
Oh, Ashish ji, he's too nice. He was the chillest on the show. I think his quality is being chill. I think he's worked so much and like now he's at this age where he knows that nothing is that serious, I think even in our 40s, 50s, we'd also be like, Arey, haan bhai, theek hai. सोऊंगा नहीं करूँगा ये सब like so he's very chill. I love that about him. The one thing I would like for him to change is that, you know, he took Elnaz's name and he could have like given us something. He didn't give us anything. So that would have been great.
But even in the next episode, immediate next eviction was actually Elnaz's.
Yeah.
Which is
Jannat was like, वो लिख के गए हैं, वो कुछ सोच के लिख के गए हैं, अब हम सब लोग Elnaz के लिए vote करेंगे. Literally. This is a
Harsh.
Harsh. Harsh is really funny. Harsh is fun to be around. Like, he's just one of those people. He'll keep making you laugh. But I think that's with every stand-up comic, that they're constantly like cracking jokes. The one thing I would ask for him to change is nothing. यार मतलब सही है. I don't know him deeply enough.
Okay. But listen, इतना कुछ आपने हमारे लिए किया. So of course you deserve this. This
Love
is
it.
for you, for the wonderful chat that
Thank you so
have had with
much.
me. Wild Glow by Rohit Khemka is India's futuristic skincare brand. Wild Glow aims at bridging the geographical distance between India and South Korea. Their wide variety of products, whether it's the viral overnight collagen face mask or the turmeric and kojic acid cleansing pads, are to die for, and they show effect with the very first use. I've been using them and you can see my skin. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy them yourself right now. Thank you so much for doing this, Apurva.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for doing this.
Thank you
Genuinely.
so much. Thank you. Love you.